You've been lied to. They told you to always be trading, to chase every move. But here's the truth. 75% of the market is just noise. And most people will be more profitable if they put as much effort into reasons not to trade as they do into trading. The best traders, they don't show up to trade. They show up to wait. Wait for that setup that is too obvious to ignore. New traders think more trades equals more profit. What they actually get? More risk, more noise, more pain. The market will try to tempt you. Fake moves, false spikes. But when the signal is real, you won't miss it. Here's what I discovered. You can trade the most powerful market moves without sitting at your desk all day. Specifically, focus on the first 15 minutes of the US market open, high volatility. Set your risk and profit targets ahead of time. Use an automated strategy that detects breakout opportunities. Let the system handle the trade, even while you're at work. The game is backwards. Come to the market to not trade and wait for the setup that screams now. You don't need 20 indicators. You don't need a signal service. You need discipline to ignore the noise. So, next time you're staring at a chart, ask yourself, is this noise or is this the signal? Subscribe if you want to master the difference.